Best Out bulbs. Illuminate your space with top-rated options. Choosing the best outdoor light bulbs isn't just about brightness. Consider durability, energy efficiency, and weather resistance. LED bulbs are popular for their long lifespan and energy-saving features. Solar-powered options reduce electricity costs and are eco-friendly. Smart bulbs offer remote control and customizable settings. List Sanglit Dusk to Dawn LED Outdoor Light Bulb. A 75-watt equivalent ensures energy efficiency. Each bulb delivers 1,200 lumens of crisp, clear light. Enjoy reliable lighting with this convenient 3-pack. Advantages: discover the convenience of Sanglit Dusk to Dawn LED bulbs. Automatic on-off sensors save energy effortlessly. Perfect for porches and garages. Enjoy bright, clear lighting with 1,200 lumens. Enhance visibility and safety outdoors. List number: GE LED Plus A19 Dusk to Dawn LED light bulbs. Enjoy a soft white glow that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. With energy-efficient LED technology, save on electricity bills. Perfect for gardens, patios, and porches. Simple and reliable lighting for your home. Advantages: automatic lighting ensures safety and security around your home. These LED bulbs switch on at dusk and off at dawn. No manual operation needed.
Energy efficiency saves money on electricity bills. These bulbs use less energy than traditional bulbs, offering long-term savings.
List number:
Sylvania LED A19 light bulb.
60W equivalent, efficient 8.5W medium base. Designed to be energy efficient, they use only 8.5 watts. Perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in any room. Comes in a convenient pack of 4 for easy replacement. Enjoy long-lasting light with minimal energy use. Advantages: energy-efficient lighting. Save energy with just 8.5 watts per bulb. Reduce electricity bills effectively with these LED bulbs. Long-lasting performance. List number 4. GE LED Plus Dusk to Dawn light bulbs. Their soft white glow creates a welcoming atmosphere. The E12 candelabra base fits easily into your existing fixtures. Perfect for enhancing your outdoor spaces with ease. Advantages: ideal for outdoor security lighting. These bulbs offer automatic functionality. They brighten at dusk and dim at dawn, ensuring safety. Soft white glow creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Perfect for porches. List number 5. Ameritop Dusk to Dawn light bulb 2-pack A19 LED sensor light bulbs with 800 lumens. They provide clear and vibrant illumination. Energy-efficient 10-watt bulbs save power while offering 60-watt equivalent brightness. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. They bring daylight warmth with a 5000 K color temperature. UL listed for safety. These bulbs are a smart choice for any home.
Advantages: enjoy effortless lighting with Ameritop's automatic sensor feature. The bulbs turn on at dusk and off at dawn, saving energy and effort. Perfect for busy households. Experience bright illumination with 800 lumens of light output. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor spaces, ensuring clarity and visibility in any setting. A practical choice for homes.